So what we have here is an electric hot water heater, and the heating elements went out on it. So the thing is what I like to do is I like to take heating elements from old hot water heaters and salvage them. So that's what I'm replacing this heating element with. This one here, the heating element corroded so bad until all the little spring components came out of it and everything. So like I say, I take a good heating element from another heater, and first you have to drain the heater. Once you drain the heater, you remove the old heating element and you put your replacement heating element into the little hole. And you have a special tool you can use where you can, there you go, tighten it on. Okay. Once you have it tightened on, but you also have to make sure you put sealant tape. And this is what that is, sealant tape that you wrap around the threads of the heating element, and that prevents leaks. Okay. So now we have the new heating element installed. What you're going to do is you're going to reconnect the hot wires to the screws on the element. Once these are connected, you're going to trip the breaker, and then the water heater will power up and it'll be as good as new.